You need to hear this if you're a fan of crime shows. Crows are the ultimate detectives of the bird kingdom. Crows are super smart. These feathered geniuses can actually recognize human faces. So if you ever annoyed a crow, it might remember you for years. And get this, they can even teach their friends and kids to hold a grudge against you. Imagine a whole family of crows giving you the side eye just because of a little mistake. So next time you see a crow, maybe give it a friendly wave instead of shooing it away. You never know, you might just make a forever friend or avoid a lifelong enemy. Stay on their good side, folks. Crows are watching.